double helix deoxyribose sugar, the bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine are all characteristics of this molecule. This molecule is single-stranded, uses ribose sugar, or ribose sugar makes up part of the structure. The bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, not thymine. What molecule is this? RNA is made from DNA, and then proteins are made directly from RNA. This is the central dogma of molecular biology, and I kind of have a feeling over time that this definition could be modified some. It does say the central dogma. It is the main idea. I think that's okay. I can agree with that. That is well said.